Guys, today I will explain about using Google Trends. It will be super simple and easy, and also it will be very helpful if you are planning to start a new channel on YouTube. So let's explore how can it will be helpful for you. The first thing is open the browser in your computer which you are using, and then in the search bar search for Google Trends. On the top you can see the website. Just click on it to get access. This one is the main interface of Google Trends. Before exploring anything, take a look on the left top. Here you can see the option Home, Explorer, Trending Now. If you tap on this option Trending Now, here you can see which things is trending, and also you can set a specific location by clicking on this icon, and here you can choose your location. It means you can see which thing is trending in the specific country. And as I said, it will be helpful if you are planning to start a new YouTube channel. And how can be? Just click on this option Home. After clicking on the option Home, here you can search for your specific keywords. You are trying to create a YouTube channel on the tutorial videos, and you want to search about TikTok and Instagram, which thing is trending now. So what you have to do, simply just click here and write TikTok. After writing, tap on this option Explore. Scroll down, and here you can see the graph of this TikTok. This app is using in these regions. Scroll down more, and here you will see some more info. Let's scroll up, and you see about everything TikTok. Now you want to know about the Instagram. Then click on this option Compare and write here Instagram. After writing, tap Enter. Now scroll down, and you can see the interest over time. And this one is the average. The average of TikTok is 70 and average of Instagram is 68. It's almost same. Scroll down more, and here you can see the compared breakdown by sub-regions. It's almost the same. So it's up to you on which topic you want to create videos. Scroll up, and here you can write anything what you want, and Google Trend will help you by showing the interest over time of that thing. And it was the way by which you can use Google Trend.